Open Microsoft Edge browser and type Outlook, just Outlook, and hit enter. Okay, don't log in your previous account, just we are going to create new one. So click create free account and type any address which is easy for you, like I'm just typing PrimeVideo Hackz@outlook.com. Okay, now create a new password which is rememberable for you. Type any name, PrimeVideo. Next. Now choose the country which is Ecuador. Don't choose any country, not US, not UK, just Ecuador. Put any random date of birth. It should be 18 plus. Yep, that look good. Next. Now do some robot verification. Next. Yeah, it's easy for me. Now sign in. Stay sign in. Now like this video. I need 5k within 7 days. If I'll get 5k likes on that video, I will give Netflix free accounts to every member in comment section. Okay, now go and like this video. Open the Chrome browser and click on Amazon page, Amazon link. Now click on sign in section, sign in and create free account. Type any name, like I'm just typing Haider, Haider, and put that email you just recently created, PrimeVideo Hackz@outlook.com. Now create a password which is different from your email. Type your password and verify it. OTP will send on your mail, and let me put it 29212. Verify and verify your number 2. If you don't have, then go and get any temp number, you will get it. Now go on the sign in section again, click on account and scroll down until you find one click settings section. Now here is that. Now click on that. So add some purchase preferences, name, addresses, city, state, zip, phone number. You will get all these information in my description. Okay, so go next. Add a debit card number. Put your name. If don't use your original name or your debit card number. Okay, just put any name, like I'm just typing Haider, and yeah, credit card number will be in my description too. So here's the expiration date, 8/2028. Yeah, here's that. Now add that card. No thanks. Continue. Now open your new tab and type PrimeVideo. Click that link. Start your free trial. Type that email you just created with on Amazon account. PrimeVideos Hackz@outlook.com. Continue. Let me sign in. Yeah, sign in. So go and like this video. Okay, I need 5k within this week. You will get Netflix account for free. Boom, simply and simple method, just all for you. Within 7 days, if I'll get 5k likes in that video, you will get free Netflix account. Go comment in this video. Let me play something for you.
Picked up by the Brits. Their armada of destroyers are crossing there. We will literally be sailing over U-boats. Sorry, lads. We go shorter.
For more upcoming videos, subscribe this channel and stay tuned. See you in my next video. Bye bye.